These all bitches ain't fucking with you. Go girl, I see you working. You're perfect, oh, you deserve it. Those LV moves fit you perfect. Don't be nervous, this your shit. Girl, you know you're badass. Throw it back.
Hey YouTube, it's Taylor Nicole back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. Like, comment, subscribe, and give me to 1,000 subscribers, because like I'm really like almost there. I'm literally on the verge to 1,000 subscribers, so please give me to 1,000 subscribers. And I'm gonna really come with more wig videos, because just watch y'all, just watch how I come with this wig install. But this video is just the prep, so I'm just gonna bleach the knots and pluck them. The install gonna be in the next video, so stay tuned for that. But right here, I'm just hot combing the flyaways and loose hairs back, so I can get ready to bleach the knots, and so nothing won't be in my way. So yeah, I'm gonna fast forward through this, because this is the simple process. Y'all know what to do. Like, just hot comb, get those hairs out the way, get that clean little hairline. Y'all know. Yeah. Okay, boom. Now we about to bleach the knots. So right here, as y'all can see, I'm spraying the Evan spray on the lace and go and blow dry it, so it could like have a, what's they call it, a barrier, so the bleach won't soak through the lace, because that's the problem I be having with especially bleaching the knots. Like, yeah, it be soaking through, so I be spraying just enough. Yeah. And y'all gonna see me blow dry right now. I'm just mixing it up, because, yeah, at first I was gonna let it sit on there, but then I just thought, like, blow dry it speeds up the plat. I can't talk with this piercing. Blow dry, speed up the process. So, yeah, y'all just gonna see me do that. Alright, so now we about to add the bleach. The way I apply it, like, I use like a light hand. Well, at least try to use a light hand lightly, so it won't soak through the lace. But that's why they say, like, the texture for the mixture is supposed to be like a toothpaste type, so it won't be hella liquidy and not too like thick for, like, you know, it's just supposed to just sit on the lace. It's not supposed to just like soak through. You're supposed to sit and do its thing. So yeah, so you want to apply it lightly. And me, I don't really have that mixture down really to the point of a good mixture, toothpaste mixture. But like, yeah, as much as you keep doing it, you'll just start to get better and better at it. So yeah, fast forward, because this is like a simple process. And I don't even know how many minutes I left this on for. I really just leave it on probably like 30 minutes. Then I'll go and check to see if it's like bleached good enough for me. And yeah. Alright, y'all, so here I am back after the 30 minutes or whatever. But I don't know if you guys can tell, but it did turn brown. Like, I seen the knots was brown. So I just went on and rinsed it out, because, yeah, I don't know the effect on leaving it on any longer. I think it turned orange. So, yeah, but I left it on good enough, because you will see after I rinse it off that it was on long enough. So, yeah, because any other time, I don't be leaving it on long enough, or I just don't be applying it correctly, or the mixture don't be right, because it really don't even be looking like I really bleached the knots. But after I rinse this out, y'all gonna see that. Yeah. So I use the purple shampoo. Well, ain't that the shampoo everybody supposed to use? I don't know. I thought that is. But yeah, so take your purple shampoo and rinse that off, and make sure you get all the bleach out, because I had to wash the hair. I had to go back and wash the hair, because at first I just rinsed the bleach out, and y'all gonna see when I put my wig back on the wig head, it got like white dots and shit, like the white little flakes in it. And that's because I just rinsed off the bleach from the lace, and it got in the hair and the sink and stuff like that. I never shampooed it, so I went back and used, think, L'Oreal. I don't know what type of shampoo I used. I just know it's white girl shampoo. It's this little soft, make your hair nice and soft and smell good. So yeah, that shampoo I use to get the flaky stuff out and get a hair a new smell rather than that package smell, because it did kind of have a little stench to it, and plus the bleach stank too. So yeah. So y'all just watching me wash that out, and you could tell that it did its thing, because it did get darker, as you can see. So yeah. Alright, y'all, so this is the white stuff I was talking about. So yeah, I'm about to go wash the wig and come back, and it will be spectacular clean, of free of bleach, buildup, etc. Now I'm about to dry the whole wig, because I was lazy. For some reason, I just don't like blow drying the wig lace. Like, it's just so thick. The lace is wet, then the inside is just even wetter than the hair. So what I do is I put it under my cap dryer. I think I got this from Amazon. I don't know. But yeah, it does come in handy, because I be sitting under there doing my hot oil treatments. Wig wise, yes, it do come in real good handy, because it just speeds up the process. So like, I put it on high, and I went about my day. And I came back, the toe top was completely dry. The ends were wet a little bit, but I didn't have no problem with that. I was just making sure the freaking lace was dry itself. It's time. Now I'm about to start plucking, and yeah, now you see I'm spraying the water on the hairline, because I heard it makes it way easier to pluck. The hair just comes out easier when it's wet. So yeah, I do one section at a time. I'm going to fast forward through this process, because as everyone should know, when it comes to plucking, the shit takes forever and ever and ever to get like that good little hairline scalp that you want. You feel me? So yeah, y'all gonna see, and yeah, so just watch, and I'm gonna fast forward and just watch how I do it.
digging you.